of YouTubers don't know how to add ads on their videos. Ad break on your videos. Okay, on today's video, I'll be showing you how to add ads on your video in a way whereby you are making more money from a particular video. Remember that RPM and the CPM determines the amount that you're going to earn in a particular video. But remember that the amount of ad that you add in a particular video matters also. So I'll be showing you how to add ads on your video. If you're seeing my face for the first time, my name is OGOM'S. Please do well to subscribe to the channel, like this particular video, share, click on the bell notification, and let's get right into the video. That just got monetized. Some people will be asking, now I am monetized, how do I start making money on YouTube? You need to have the $100 threshold every month before you can get paid on YouTube. So have that in mind. Now, what happens after monetization? After monetization, you need to go place ads on your video. Previously, if you are a YouTuber from 2022-2023, you will know that whenever you get monetized, you have to start placing ads on your video one. But right now, YouTube has made it in a way, in the new YouTube updates, they have made it in a way that once you get monetized, all you have to do is just to click on add ads, as in you have to click on all your videos, select all and add ads. Ads start playing on that particular video. Remember that your old videos need to be watched by your audience. In that way, they are generating revenue in that particular video, including the new videos that you are creating now that you are monetized. Now, let me show you how to add ads. We'll be going to our YouTube. So this is my YouTube, and I am always using the Chrome browser to log into my YouTube. So clicking into my YouTube, this is my homepage, and as usual, these are the content creators I watch and the ones that YouTube actually recommends to me. So this is what you'll be seeing on my homepage, okay? And right now we'll be clicking on your picture by the side, which is the right hand side. Once you click on that, you're going to see Google accounts, which account, sign out, YouTube Studio, purchases and membership, blah, 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 and all that. We're going to be clicking on our YouTube Studio. So when you click on your YouTube Studio, you are still going to see your home page, everything. Like I told you guys, please and please, always go to your YouTube Studio and click around to know if there is any message that you need to attend to. If there is anything, any YouTube update, any YouTube mail that they have rolled out, make sure you check on it on this homepage that you are seeing here. Okay, so we're clicking on our contents. So these are all the contents that I have on my channel, the ones I have uploaded, the ones I have scheduled to go up, and the rest of them. And on the left hand side, you're going to see your dashboard, your content, your analytics, community, subtitles, copyrights, and customization, audio library, and the rest of them. So all these things are on the home page of your YouTube Studio. On the content page of your YouTube Studio, your videos, your shorts, your live, your posts, playlist, podcasts, courses and your promotion. Now, how do you add ads? For this particular, this is a video that I uploaded and it's on private. This is my first time of actually uploading my video on private. I usually upload on unlisted, and you can see that the monetization button is off. Okay, so we're going to be clicking on that. I usually do this. I'll click on and then click on next. When you come here, you're going to see, it's going to ask you like a lot of questions to make sure that your content doesn't contain all these things. Inappropriate language, you can scroll down to see what they mean by inappropriate language. Adult content, those people that are doing, shocking content and the rest of them, they will ask you all these things. And if your content doesn't have it, please click on none of the above. If you leave this box unchecked, they will not allow you to upload the video. That means your content has all the things that they mentioned in the box, and after that you click on submit. When you click on submit, this one is bygone. Now, on the body of your content, you're going to see this. This is the details, this is the analytics, this is the comment, and this is the monetization. So I'm going to be clicking on the monetization. Before, years back, this is actually the new YouTube update. You were supposed to see pre-roll ads, mid-roll ads, in between ads or something, but right now this is the YouTube update. So all I have to do is to click on review placement. You've already turned on the monetization button on. I am going to click on review placement. Now this video is more than 8 minutes, which means I can choose to add my own ads, and I can choose to add ads in between the videos. Now, one thing I always advise people to do is that if you check your YouTube Studio analytics to know where the duration that people usually watches your video, this is a quick tip. If you know the duration for which people watches your video and leave, make sure that you add ads in between, as in before they leave your videos. So for example, if you usually upload 14 minutes video and your audience only watches like 8 minutes of your videos, that is 8% of your video duration, all you have to do is to make sure that your ads always ranges from the 0 minutes to the 8 minutes. Add ads plenty in between the 0 minutes to the 8 minutes, because if you're adding ads after 8 minutes, that means they have already clicked off. They are not watching the ads that you are placing after 8 minutes. So all you have to do is to add ads in between. For example, while uploading this video, YouTube have already added ads for me, and some people will ask, should I allow YouTube to place ads on my videos, or I should place my ads automatically, or I should allow YouTube to place ads automatically in my video? I add my ads manually. I use my hand to add my ads so that I will know where the ads are supposed to be. Some people do by YouTube. Me, I add manually. Sometimes I allow YouTube to add for me, but I have to go back to check. Anyway, so I just needed to explain this. As you can see, this video already have like how many ads now? 1, 2, 3, 4. But as you can see, this is just, the video is just starting. People haven't watched anything, and I'm seeing 1.50. So I will have to delete this particular one because I don't want people to, oh God, I have done a lot. Anyway, let's start adding ads. So I usually add my ads. Sometimes I do after 1 minute, sometimes I do after 2 minutes. So this is 1 minute. Sometimes I usually allow, you can see, oh, I even had like I think, okay, so let's do 1.56, 1 minute 56 seconds. So I am going to take from the 1 minute 56 seconds, I am going to drag these ads and then click here. Whenever you click on that place, make sure you scroll up to do ad break, like this plus sign that you are seeing here. You click on the ads. So I am going to drag this a little. Then once you drag it, you click. I am actually making use of a laptop to do this, which means you can also do it on a mobile phone. So you add. So always make sure that you are dragging this arrow that I'm seeing here. Drag it to the place for which you want the ad to be. Okay, I'm just playing around to show you guys. You can add your ads anyhow that you want, but anytime you're adding your ads, make sure that you're following the video that you're seeing here, so that you will know when you're trying to say something and the ads doesn't cut off when you're trying to place the ads. Okay, I'm just playing around to show you how I do my ads most times. Okay, so I'm going to add all these ads here. Sometimes I do less ads, sometimes I do more ads, but it depends on the length of the video. I think we can work with this. So anytime you finish, you can click on the continue. But if you are allowing YouTube to place ads for you, that means place automatically. This button is YouTube is going to handle the ads for you. Anytime you finish, you can click on continue, or you click on discard changes. I'm going to click on continue. When you click on continue, click on your save. So once you save it, ads are going to play in this particular video. Ads are going to play in between this particular video. Remember, you are only allowed to add ads in a video that, no, not allowed. Videos that you upload that are less than 8 minutes, ads are not going to play in between. Ads will only play at the beginning of the video and at the end of the video. Okay, so for this particular video, ads are already placed on it. So anytime I put this video to be public, ads are going to play in it. And information and quick tip, YouTube is not going to play all the ads that you have placed in a particular video. But anyway, so this is how to add ads in your video. Let's move over to the next slide. After watching that particular video, I hope I have been able to convince you and not to confuse you that that is the right way for you to add ads in your video, ad breaks in your video. Now, some people will be asking, do I add my ads manually or I add my ads automatically? I have already explained that in the video. Now, sometimes I usually place my ads manually. Why sometimes I allow you to place ads, but remember that it is quite dicey to allow you to place ads in your video, because I know that, for instance, there are instances whereby I have made a 16-minute video. A 16-minute video should have like up to 4 to 5 ads. I remember that one ad plays like 2 ads in one. So if you're adding 5 ads in your video, you should have 10 ads that should play in that particular video. Remember that those 10 ads, some ads might be like 10 seconds, some ads like be like 1 hour, some ads like be like 5 minutes, depending on the length of ads that advertisers placed on that particular video. I have also told people that the revenue you generate on a particular video is determined by the RPM or the CPM of that particular video. If it's like an educative video, maybe education on how to make money, they said that the RPM and the CPM is usually high. If, for instance, on my channel, I might be having like $10 RPM or $10 CPM. Some people will be asking, what is the meaning of RPM and what is the meaning of CPM? I think is cost per views or cost per mouse. I don't know. I'll just be putting the meaning on the screen. Now, it depends on the place whereby your audience are watching you more from. They have the top geographical cities. That is the places that your audience are watching you from. If you have like UK audience watching you more, your RPM or your CPM tend to be high. But we that Nigerians, they watch us and you know say Nigeria RPM and CPM is usually not high, it's always low. You will see a lifestyle channel might be having like 0.50 cents CPM. You'll be seeing some lifestyle channel having like $3 CPM or $3 RPM. So please and please, Nigeria, please and please, YouTube, we are appealing to you to please increase our RPM and CPM, because we are really putting in effort. I'm not saying that others are not putting in effort. Of course, UK content creators are putting in the effort, but please make it make sense and make it balance, so that if we create video, if people watch ad, how can you be earning once 1,000 people watch ads? As in, once you have 1,000 views on your video, you might be seeing $3. If another 2,000 watch, that is $6. If another 4,000 watch, that is $4. And they will still remove tax from that particular $4 that you have earned. So you know that you have to know the amount of video that you will create on your channel to amount to $100 threshold every single month. So if you haven't been putting in the best, know that it is when you are monetized. That is when, if you have been putting in 5%, now you need to bring your bulldozer. It has to be 1,000,000%. Because you need to be consistent. You need to know the amount of video that you will put on your channel. Let it be educative. Let it be value added, please. And make sure that you're doing your video optimization right. Because if you're still posting every day and your videos are not educative, they're not entertaining, they are not valuable, people are still not going to watch. It is as the same thing as somebody that is just maybe 3 times consistent on their channel. So whatever it is you do, make sure that you're trying the 2 options of placing ads manually and placing ads automatically. But this is the right way for you to add ads on your video. How to add ad breaks on your video. Anytime you allow you to place ads automatically on your video, make sure you go back to check that particular video to know the amount of ads that they have placed in that particular video. Because YouTube, you cannot but just make sure that they shine your eyes. Once they place ads automatically on your video, go back to go and check if there are still some places that you want to add ads. And remember that anytime you're placing your ads, please don't place ads when you're talking. Maybe you are showing people how to make banga soup and you have finished showing the ingredients. Now, if you want to place ads, you don't come and place ads in between. Sometimes I'll just place the ads and go. But if I am trying to be creative, or if I'm trying to be smart with adding ads, I have to place my ads after I have placed the ingredients. And I'm now telling you guys, okay, let's start preparing this particular meal. That means I have finished showing the ingredients. Because if an ad plays when you're talking something important, people will still skip that ad so that they can listen to what you have to say. So place your ads smartly, and remember that you need $100 threshold every month on your channel before you can get paid on YouTube monthly. Okay, even if you make more than $100 every month, you will get paid, but remember that you need to have $100 threshold. If they remove tax from your video, from that particular earnings you have made, and it's not up to $100, you will not get paid. The thing will roll over. Remember, your money is safe. YouTube know they chop your money. YouTube is not scam, because I have heard a lot of people asking me, oh, is YouTube money free? How do you people make money free? How do you people make money on YouTube? Hey, how does YouTube pay you? Hey, how do I say YouTube money is real? Oh, it's like a gombute, you know. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this particular video, and if you have other questions on the channel, please let me know in the comment section. Drop it in the comment section, and I will definitely film that particular video for you. Remember to please subscribe to the channel, click on the bell notification, check if my bell notification is turned on from your own end. Just click on the all, not none, not personalized. Click on the all so that you will always get notified whenever I drop YouTube tips and how to grow, or how to have more views, or how to increase your subscribers. Okay, and I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye.